Are you tired of wrestling with tangled cords while trying to keep your home spotless? Cordless vacuums are revolutionizing how we tackle cleaning tasks, offering convenience and flexibility without sacrificing power. In this video, we'll explore the best cordless vacuums on the market, highlighting their innovative features, battery life, and performance. Whether you have pets, hardwood floors, or carpets, there's a perfect cordless vacuum waiting to simplify your cleaning routine. Let's dive in and find the ideal vacuum for your needs. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the LEVOIT LVAC-200 cordless vacuum. If you're looking for a vacuum that makes your daily cleaning routine effortless, the LEVOIT LVAC-200 cordless vacuum is your ideal solution. Engineered for quick cleanups, this lightweight and flexible vacuum is designed to tackle your toughest messes with ease. Enjoy the convenience of up to 50 minutes of battery life in eco mode, ensuring you have ample power when you need it most. When tackling larger messes, the vacuum head provides 30 minutes of use, while turbo mode gives you 12 minutes of enhanced power for those stubborn spots. Keep in mind that this vacuum is specifically designed for dry debris, making it perfect for quick cleanups without the hassle of liquid spills. Cleaning in tight spaces becomes a breeze with the vacuum's ability to lie flat, reaching under furniture effortlessly. Equipped with 3 LED lights, you'll spot hidden dust and dirt, ensuring no area is overlooked. The custom 2-in-1 pet tool simplifies the task of picking up pet hair, while the dusting brush doubles as a crevice tool for those hard-to-reach spots. Say goodbye to the frustration of tangles and hair accumulation with the anti-tangle brush design, letting you focus on cleaning rather than maintenance. With the LEVOIT LVAC-200, completing your daily cleaning tasks becomes a fast, stress-free endeavor, allowing you to maintain a spotless home with ease. At number 4, Bissell PowerClean FurGuard cordless vacuum. If you're a pet owner, you know the struggle of keeping your home free from pet hair and debris. The Bissell PowerClean FurGuard cordless vacuum is designed specifically to address this challenge, making cleaning easier and more efficient. With a powerful 280 watts motor and innovative fur finder headlights, this vacuum illuminates hidden pet hair, fine dust, and debris so you can tackle every corner with ease. You can enjoy up to 50 minutes of cordless cleaning power, providing you with the flexibility to move around your home without being tethered to an outlet. Its versatile design allows you to easily transition from a stick vacuum to a handheld or high-reach vacuum, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks. The Fur Finder tool helps you remove up to 95% of embedded pet hair twice as fast compared to competitors, making it ideal for cleaning couches, chairs, stairs, and even auto interiors. Moreover, the FurGuard self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, ensuring that clogs are a thing of the past and that your vacuum maintains peak performance across different surfaces. With its self-standing convenience, the PowerClean can rest on its own while charging or during breaks, allowing you to keep your space organized. Experience the ease of pet hair removal and enhance the cleanliness of your living environment with the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard cordless vacuum. Number 3, we have the Shark IX141 Pet Cordless Vacuum. If you're searching for a powerful and versatile cleaning solution, the Shark IX141 Pet Cordless Vacuum could be just what you need. Weighing only 6.9 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight and cordless, allowing you to easily maneuver around your home without being tethered to an outlet. With an impressive runtime of up to 40 minutes, you can tackle everyday messes and high-traffic areas with ease. Designed specifically for different surfaces, the Shark IX141 features a bristle brush roll and hypervelocity suction, which means it can effortlessly transition from hard floors to carpets. Whether you're dealing with pet hair or dust, it ensures you won't miss a spot. The removable hand vac is especially handy for above-floor cleaning, equipped with a pet multi-tool for removing hair and a crevice tool to reach tight corners. You'll appreciate the added convenience of LED headlights that illuminate hidden debris, making it easier to spot dirt in dimly lit spaces. When it's time to empty the dust cup, the CleanTouch dirt ejector allows for hands-free disposal, minimizing mess and hassle. With a low-profile design that fits under furniture and freestanding storage options for the hand vac, this vacuum is crafted to enhance your cleaning experience. Say goodbye to cleaning struggles and let the Shark IX141 help you maintain a spotless home seamlessly. At number 2, Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum. If you're seeking an efficient cleaning solution for your home, the Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum is designed to meet your needs. This versatile vacuum offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free power, allowing you to tackle various cleaning tasks without the hassle of cords. Weighing only 2.6 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for quick cleanups throughout your home. Equipped with the innovative motor bar cleaner head, this vacuum deep cleans all floor types and effectively removes pet hair and long hair as you clean. With 2 power modes, powerful mode for routine cleaning and max mode for intensive spot cleaning, you have the flexibility to adapt your cleaning approach based on the task at hand. The Dyson V8 Plus also converts into a handheld vacuum, making it ideal for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. Included with your vacuum are essential tools such as a mini soft dusting brush, crevice tool, and the hair screw tool, enabling you to reach high, low, and tight spaces with ease. Additionally, advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air is expelled into your home. With its cordless design, powerful suction, and comprehensive attachments, the Dyson V8 Plus is not just a vacuum, it's a smart investment for a cleaner, healthier living environment. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum. If you're looking for a powerful cleaning solution, the Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum is designed to meet your needs for thorough and convenient home cleaning. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, this lightweight vacuum is cordless, allowing you to clean every corner of your home without the hassle of tangled cords or limited reach. With a battery life of up to 60 minutes, the Dyson V11 provides ample runtime, ensuring you can tackle even the most extensive cleaning tasks. It features 3 power modes. Auto mode balances power and battery life for everyday cleaning. Eco mode maximizes runtime, and boost mode delivers intense suction for more challenging spots. The LCD screen displays real-time information including power modes and maintenance alerts, keeping you informed as you clean. The motor bar cleaner head is designed for deep cleaning on all floor types and includes a hair screw tool that efficiently collects long hair and pet hair, preventing tangles while you clean. Converting effortlessly into a handheld vacuum, the Dyson V11 allows you to reach tricky areas like cars, stairs, and upholstery with ease. Additionally, the advanced whole machine high-efficiency particulate air filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air you breathe remains cleaner. With its combination of versatility, power, and efficiency, the Dyson V11 Origin makes tackling household cleaning easier than ever. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which cordless vacuum you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.